in the city with a country feel. This 3-bedroom/2-bath home has it all with gorgeous mountain views, large yard and a great floor plan. Located just inside the city limits off the Asheville Highway, this property is convenient to shopping centers, Henard and Greeneville Middle School. The front of the home has great curb appeal with mature landscaping and a covered front porch. Stepping inside the home, one is greeted by beautiful hardwood flooring in the living area, which flows into the kitchen that has granite tile countertops, lots of cabinet space, and a dining nook overlooking the huge level backyard that steps out onto a brand new deck to enjoy the mountain views. Plenty of elbow room on this great lot. On the other end of the home are 3 large bedrooms and a full bath sporting granite tile countertop. Just off the kitchen, one can head downstairs to a fabulously finished den with tongue and groove ceilings and walls to lend a cabin feel, and a huge full bath and laundry room with folding area for the ultimate inconvenience. There is also an ornamental fireplace. Off the den is a workshop area and a drive-under garage. New heat pump in 2019 keeps the home comfortable and efficient, and the home has an architectural shingle roof new in 2020. Seller is offering